Hey there, I hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to be doing a watercolor pet portrait of my cat, Domino.
Watch this.
First, we're going to begin with taping the paper down to the board. And then I'm going to be doing a sketch of him. The reference I'm using was edited on a photo application called Canva. I'm going to be using two different references of the main photo, a black and white one so I can get the hard lines in and easily see the shadows and highlights. This sketch took around 20 minutes, but I'm going to speed it up. I was kind of struggling with this because I was a bit rusty, but I eventually got it together. When it comes to painting, the second reference I'm going to be using will be from the same photo, but I used a color effect that makes the colors pop out so I can see more of the shadows and highlights I need to add. The color effect was used on Canva. It's a filter called Maya, something like that. But it really helps me see exactly where I need to put each color. As you can see right here, I am doing the brown area first, the darker areas first. You know, tabby cats, they have a lot of different colors. Domino is white and brown, so I'm really just focusing on that. When it comes to painting the eyes, that is the most important part of a portrait, in my opinion. So I really want to make sure that that popped out. When it comes to watercolor, I don't care if it's perfect. I'm not trying to be very detail oriented. I don't care if it looks a little messy because you really can't control the flow of the water. Just like the eyes, I use the same brush for the nose. Once again, I really didn't care if it looked messy. I just want to indicate that there is a darker area around his nose. The reason why I painted his whiskers purple was because they should be white, but I'm not using a background. And purple was a color in the reference photo. And I thought it would be fun to make it pop out more. I was trying to do something unique, and I actually like how it came out. I started using blue there to add shadows underneath his whiskers. At this point, I was really just messing around, trying to add more purple and reddish to his mouth and nose area. use blacks and grays for shadow, so I wanted to use blue for shadow. Now, I really didn't like this. At this point, I was not happy with how it was looking. I didn't know what to do next, so I took a break. I used white gouache to cover up what I did with the bow. And then I really thought I started messing up. So since I already had the gouache out, I added it to the pupils. That looked really nice. And then I kept adding more gouache for highlights because Domino has a lot of white fur, so I didn't want to get rid of that. So I tried to put that back in since I took it out. So right here, I was using white gouache still to add more of the fur that's coming out of his ears. He's a really fuzzy cat. They call him short hairs, but you really gotta add them fuzzy lines to indicate that there is fur popping out. That makes him look like a cat and not a cartoon. Now I'm starting to see Domino. Nothing is a perfect circle, so always remember to add outside details. It's kind of like drawing a hair, adding the loose hair that comes out. Right here, I'm adding more shadows inside the ears. Really just the final touches. And actually, when I got to this point, I was actually happy how it was coming out. I thought I messed up his mouth right here, and I was also about to start panicking again. So yeah, this was scary. I actually wish I didn't even do that. But I feel like I need to add more shadows around his mouth to indicate his cheekbone. Right here, I'm about to attempt to fix his collar. Okay, somehow I finished it, and no, I don't think it's that bad. I think it looks really good. Comment Domino below if you made this far in the video, and give me a thumbs up if you found this tutorial helpful. This is just my process of painting my pet portrait. It was pretty easy. Overall, it took around 40 minutes from the sketch to the painting. If you want to take Domino home with you, you can go to www.madmoneyart.com. I have t-shirts, mugs, pins, stickers, posters, and all kind of other home decor for you. As always, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay mad. I'll see you in the next video.